In today's construction world, the pressure is on. Risk is around every corner. Delays and mistakes happen that aren't your fault, and you end up paying thousands in costly fines when the wrong products are sent to site or when dealing with the challenges of managing trades and suppliers. But here at Matrak, we've got your back. We've tackled these challenges head-on, teaming up with the top suppliers and manufacturers on over 300 projects worldwide. Matrak is tailor-made for builders like you. We're a materials tracking network, providing you with a clear view into every aspect of your supply chain. Give your project managers, contract administrators, and coordinators visibility of supply chain throughput to safeguard your construction dates. Matrak shows you the exact production and installation rate, giving you an early warning to prevent delays before they happen. And say goodbye to endless meetings and emails. Having your manufacturers and suppliers updating the same system provides production visibility of all your materials, so you have better control of project timelines and outcomes. And automatic translations and notifications provide trust and surety when working with new overseas suppliers and manufacturers. Instill confidence in your quality assurance processes with digital ITPs and run rate reports. Knowing that subcontractors are doing necessary checks during installation ensures compliance with quality standards and prevents costly defects and reworks. And finally, manage subcontractors with ease. Matrak's network software, meaning every company on a project is able to share and coordinate key information on materials, logistics, and progress in one place. Give your project teams a tool they can use to reliably work together. Join the hundreds already benefiting from Matrak's network and unlock the full potential of streamlined supply chain management. Ready to take the first step? Visit matrak.com/demo to get started today.